Today, I'm going to show you how to make slime, liquid slime. Just watch. First, you'll need something to put it in. So let me go get something. Go get some. Okay, I'm going to use this. First, you'll need this. First, you'll need some gel glue. And you'll need some liquid dishwashing detergent. No, not detergent, dishwashing soap. And that's pretty much it. So, this is how you do it. See the cup? I'll just show you. You fill it. It depends how much you need. It depends how much you want to put if you want more. But I'm going to use this, so I'm going to put a little bit. Okay, that's pretty much enough. Now, you put dishwashing soap. Then you stir it. Keep on stirring it. And a little bit of water after you stir. Hot or cold, it don't matter. Then you stir a little more. Then you gotta wait a few minutes, like 5 or 6 minutes. And then you're gonna have this. Wait. And you're gonna have this. See? That's what you're gonna have. And it's gonna smell good too. So that's my video. You can click the little subscribe button down there. And later.